Good afternoon. This is Kino, aka your stay-at-home cutie, and I'm here with another unboxing. Today we will be talking about the Mingdain M1 AI Smart Glasses that are photochromatic they have photochromatic lenses with open ear voice control and wireless Bluetooth. It also has voice assistant. It has anti-blue light in any direction, and they're great for both men and women. Right now, I just got through charging them. I cannot tell you whether or not they have a slight charge. This is my first pair. Now, this company has 4 different versions. This is the baseline, and what it is, they're just Bluetooth for music if you walk your dog or out and about. I think they're cute, just to be a baseline. As you can see, I still have them hooked up. I can tell you that they are touch sensitive. When you receive your item, it will come in a Walmart shipping box, and I received mine through FedEx. It only took maybe a day, actually 2 days, because I requested these through the Walmart product review program. It was kind of late, but it still got here in enough time. So this is the box that it comes in, and there are all the functions. You can make phone calls. It does say you can make phone calls with this. So this is just the unboxing. I'm gonna try to make sure that this isn't too long. You get a cloth to clean your lenses, a lens cloth. And this was actually packaged in like a little itty bitty plastic wrap. These are the stem cards. These are the stem cards right here. And this is the little bag it comes in. This is your carrying case right here. This is your booklet. And this actually is in a lot of languages. So right here are all the languages. Sorry about my fingers anyway. So that is excellent. Like I said, there are different versions of this. This is the baseline. This is just Bluetooth, music, calls. You can make calls on it. It does have assistant, the voice assistants, and it has transition. So that's why they're this color. I will probably have to make another video with me actually using them. Right here on the side, these are the excuse me, these are the charging cords. This is the charging cord right here. It doesn't come with this battery. This is my little battery. It does charge very easily. So these are two-sided for the ports. Just your standard charging cord. Right here, there's the charging port right here, and then there's one on this side. As you can see, it's blinking red and blue because I haven't connected it to my Bluetooth. Right here, if you can see that is the power, the on and off power, and you only have to hold it for like 3 seconds, and it's very touch sensitive. So if you do decide to get these, just know that, okay? So hold tight, and I'm gonna pair these with my iPhone, and we're gonna go from there. Okay, so I have them on right now. I'm gonna see if I can switch them around. I had to turn my camera this way. I don't know, for some reason my feature where I can switch it around, it's not showing up. So it'll be a part 2 of this so you can actually see. I can tell you that there is no glare. Well, there is a slight glare to the side, but I'm actually in my kitchen, but that doesn't bother me, so I won't really be able to see like the full spectrum of how much the glare is until I am like outside. So we're gonna pause this. Well, we're gonna stop this, and I will add another video with me facing with the front facing camera to my iPhone SC2, and we will go from there.